Say something to the baby. What are you going to say to her? Yeah, that's Luna. She's crazy. Hey, what do you say to the baby? Say hi, baby. What do you think of that baby? Can you say hi, baby? Hi, baby. Can you say, I love you, baby? Oh, kisses to the baby. Oh, baby. Good girl. Can you sign bear? Bear. Good girl. Yes. Where's the hat go? On your head. Where's your nose? Nose. Nose. Where's your mouth? There's your mouth. Can you sign bird? Bird. Good girl. What about tree? Tree. What about ball? Can you sign ball? Good girl. More? More. What about airplane? Airplane. Good girl. Good girl. Can you sign please? Please. Just one hand. Please. Good girl. What about shoes? Can you sign shoes? Yeah, you don't have any on right now. Clara. What are you getting? Say up, down. Up, down. Down. Good girl. Now up. 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 Down. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.